Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting episode. And it's man Ivandi. Today, we inside the studio. I have two stories here. The first one is the Minister of Education has announced that they are going to recruit 7,000 people to come and be teachers, right? And also, the Minister of Health has also announced this. So, ladies and gentlemen, intro. Yeah, welcome back. Ghanaians have been crying here and there that unemployment rate is going high and high and high. So the government of Ghana has really heard your cry, and the Minister of Education and the Minister of Health has announced something. But let me start with what the Ministry of Health. The Ministry of Health posted this on their official page. It says, Ministry of Health to commence nationwide recruitment of health professionals. That is what we are going to recruit people. Yes, Ghanaians have stayed at home. They've been crying. The Ghanaian youth, to be precise. They have been crying here and there. And the Ministry of Health says, so we've opened the portal. So let me continue. The Ministry of Health announces the commencement of nationwide recruitment of health professionals effective 16th April 2026, following the grant of financial clearance. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is official. Coming 16th of what? This month. Today is what? 4th. So gradually, coming 16th of month, the Ministry of Health is saying that officially, that is effectively, from the 16th of April, they are going to open their portal following a grant of financial what? Clearance. Let's get into it to get to know. Secondly, recruitment will be decentralized and conducted at the district level based on verified vacancies. So that means we have particular places that those kind of what recruitment will be going on. Right, this time I don't think it will be going to be online here and there, or like what's happening now. Stories be brava. Thirdly, the process will be competitive, transparent, and guided by approved quota system across all grades and year groups. So that is, we have every year. People have been staying home for a long time. I learned from 2021. Yes, I stand to be corrected. From 2021, and people have stayed home ranting here and there, but yet still they are not getting anything. So it is going to be what? Competitive, transparent, and guided diligently. Yes, it's going to be a process wise. Fourth one, all recruitment will be undertaken within approved budgetary limits. So that means, right, it is going to be what? Approved what? Budgetary what? Limits. It means so it's going to be in line. Fifth one, qualified health professionals are reminded to monitor official Ministry of Health and District Health Administration channel for vacancies, announcement, and application guidelines. So that means if you don't follow the Ministry of Education, follow them, so that once they posted anything, you follow it and follow suit. Because Charlie, the youth, you've been home, right? So I'm not part, but because unemployment rate is going high and high. A country like Ghana, applications should be prepared. Applicants should prepare the required documents and credentials ahead of the recruitment rollout. Yes, you know that you need to be ready for all your requirements, as they said in the fifth one, that need to follow suit, that they'll be listed the kind of requirement they need. And fifth, they are saying that you should be prepared with all the necessary requirement. 7, the financial clearance is valid until 31st December 2026. All recruitment activities must be completed within this period. So as I said in the first one, they said the Ministry of Health announces commencement of nationwide recruitment health professionals effective from 16th April 2026, following a financial grant, and here they come down to say that due to the financial clearance, it is valid until 31st December 2026. All recruitment must be completed within this period. 8, the ministry urges all eligible professionals to take advantage of this opportunity to contribute to strengthening healthcare delivery across Ghana. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is a good news for the youth and also a good news for what arts. Let's get on with what Honorable Haruna Idusu also announced. So, Honorable Haruna Idusu has announced that the Ministry of Education has received financial clearance from the finance minister to recruit at least 7,000 teachers across the country. Yes, I'm done with the Ministry of Health. Here is what the Ministry of Education. The Ministry of Education is saying that they are going to announce what they are going to recruit 7,000 people. So at least, and you're because you're looking at the whole country, Ghana, and you're just recruiting 7,000 people there. And yeah, but yeah, at least people. So this move is expected to one, reduce unemployment among trained teachers. Yes, from 2021, teachers are not face but this time around, this move is expected to what to remove unemployment among trained teachers. Oh, imagine what could schools 4 years and now 3 years. Okay, 4 years or 3 years. Now, okay, I could train this and now we are still having to fear. It doesn't make sense. So secondly, improve teacher to teacher students ratio, right? Teacher to teacher students ratio. Strengthen the quality of education nationwide. We are going to strengthen the quality of education nationwide. Ladies and gentlemen, gradually, how na do to say, atadwe Ghanaian youth yate denne. Omadwen ho. The government of Ghana, that is the NDC government as a whole, led by His Excellency Don Dramani Mahama, has heard the youth cry, and also they are going to strengthen the quality of education nationwide. It is timely intervention that brings hope to many graduates waiting for posting, while also boosting the education sector. Yes, everybody is waiting for what posting because it is going to boost our education sector, because unemployment rates, come on, it's not easy, it's not easy to be enrolled in the school for 3 years, in a training college for 3 years. No about still our mama oh, and yet, but yet still gradually the government of Ghana has heard our cry, that is the Honorable Haruna Idrisu. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I brought you today. This is what I brought you today. So, Haruna Idrisu has announced this. And the Minister of Education, the Minister of Health has also announced this. Ladies and gentlemen, what's your take on this? Was it the right approach, or do you think it's too late? What's your take on this? This is Ivandi Studios. Please, if you are new here, can you subscribe? I'm out.